doing, Miss Lisa? This is Erique here with Tameron Honda and Hoover. I want to thank you so much for your internet request on this 2014 Honda CR-V. Just want to let you know that vehicle is here and available. Wanted to shoot you a quick video to introduce myself. That way you'll know exactly who you'll be working with when you take a step inside the dealership. And to go over a few features here with you, you're going to get these nice bright headlights here. Going to give you plenty of visibility while you drive. Great set of tires. They're practically new. Plenty of tread on them. Great seating. The previous owner actually went ahead and invested in putting leather in this vehicle, making it a lot more comfortable, a lot easier to keep clean. You have that nice situation system up here that's going to be able to use all your climate control, hands-free systems right here on your steering wheel, making sure you don't have to use your phone while you drive. Plenty of space in the CR-V. As you can see, you can comfortably seat up to about 5 people in this vehicle. Very comfortable, plenty of space. Even fold the seats down, extremely easy, just to extend that storage space that you might need. And your trunk is huge. You have more than enough space here. Previous owners even invested in the trunk tray here, as well as your all-weather mats. Want to make sure you keep this vehicle as clean as absolutely possible. Give me a call, Miss Lisa. I would love the opportunity to put this vehicle on the road with you, so that way we can put it in your driveway. My number is 205-756-1005, or you can reach me by email at ejohnson@tameron.com. And Lisa here at Tameron Honda, we do business one way, and that's the right way. You're going to love the way you're treated.